Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update video. This is a fun video series that I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a really great resource for me to update the community on anything that I have been working on, and also be a great source for the community to share anything that they have been working on, any of their great successes, or just anything that they would like to see shared with everyone. So if you have any updates that you would like to see shared next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share them next week. All of the updates that I have this week have been shared in the comment section in last Saturday's video. So the first thing I'd like to start off by sharing is it's been really cool being able to do some very specific videos for a specific population. What I started a month or so ago is I started a channel membership program where you can sign up and you can join my channel. If you make the black belt level subscription, what I'm doing is I'm doing private how-to live stream videos where you can choose the topic, and I'll do my best to try to answer your question. I'll try to do them as frequently as possible, and I just did my first one. It had a few hiccups, but that was really fun to do. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that was able to make that. Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and today's going to be our first live stream. This is going to be pretty cool to do because, one, I have a new phone, so I'm wondering what the quality is going to be like. And two, it's not something that I do very often. The first time I did one of these live streams, the quality just came out quite poorly, and I think it'd be cool if I could do a decent job with just my phone. I really don't want to have to get another setup. How do you increase your subscribers when you're a Locksport channel? So one thing that is very true when you are in YouTube in general is you need to always focus on your story first. So what are you doing to provide value to the person that is going to be watching? But the other thing is when you're starting to make videos, you need to think about a few things. So one thing is going to be, what is your video quality? What is your sound quality? And then you need to think about your editing. So I believe one of the acronyms is AVL, audio, video, lighting. Now, moving on to this week's Locksport update, I just would like to share a few really great channels with you. The first one is going to be a channel you may already be familiar with, and that is Lockmania. Lockmania just hit a really cool milestone. His channel has reached 500 subscribers, 500 videos, and he's doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. That is such a cool thing to see how it all lined up all at the same time, and that is such a really great feat. So what I'm going to do right now is share a quick clip of his channel, sharing a quick update on his giveaway.
Hey guys, this is a few things I forgot to say in the giveaway video. I forgot to say first off that I'm going to stop the giveaway and do the drawing next Monday, so 1 week from now. It will be like this. If you guess the right number of keys, you're definitely in the giveaway. If only one person guessed the right number of keys, that person wins. If multiple people guess the right answer of keys, I will I do put people's names on small pieces of paper, as I always do, but I will take the names with the right answer and fold them, put them in the sack as I usually use, or the bag, or what you want to call it, and draw the winner randomly.
Thank you so much for checking out Lockmania. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Lockmania is a great member of the community, and he's always doing his best to try to support and share anything Locksport. The next channel I'm going to mention this week is Rune International. Rune International is a really great channel. He has a really great collection of locks, And what Rune has done recently is started getting back into making videos. It is really nice to see channels getting back into videos when they've had a little bit of a hiatus. So what I'm going to do right now is share a quick clip of Rune's channel.
Welcome to episode 14 of the Rook School. In this episode I'll go over the insights of the D12. It's a follow-up to the intro to the D12 that I made recently, and this time we'll have a more thorough look at the pins and the magic that goes behind the technology that make this a very interesting type of lock, and some of the things they have done to prevent manipulation such as picking, bumping, etc.
Thank you so much for checking out Rune International. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. I know that probably Lockmania and Rune are watching this live right now, and I just want to say thank you to you both for all of the support you give every single week. The next channel I'm going to mention is Pocket Women. Pocket Women is a pretty cool channel, and what she shared is she's been on a little bit of a 2-month hiatus due to an illness, but Pocket Women is back, and the first lock that she picked on her way back is such a cool lock and a really great accomplishment. What she picked was the pack lock PL410 Lockout Tagout. This is a 7-pin lock, and she believes it's the first time this lock has been picked in Australia, and what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of that picking for you right now.
Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lockout, Tagout, Lock Tuesday, Lotto Lock Tuesday, the day we feature our Lockout, Tagout locks, the locks that keep our workers safe. Now today, I'm going to go for this PL 410 Pro from Pack Lock. Now this is a beauty. This was given to me by Lockpicking's Girl. Go check out her channel. Excellent member of our community. So here we go. And I've chosen one with a little dent at the top. You see that? So I can feel when I'm under the pin a bit better. You're kidding me. Look at that. It turned. It turned. I've got it. 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 Oh, yes. I've got a pack lock. I just opened a pack lock. Oh, I hope someone besides me is watching this. Oh, check this out. Oh, wow. That's an open, people. That is an open. Wow. Pack lock. PL 410 Pro. Picked open by Pocket Women. Alright. Happy days, happy days, happy days. Big thank you to Lockpicking's Girl. This has been a very, very fun pick.
Thank you so much for checking out Pocket Women. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by her, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check out her channel and consider subscribing. Pocket Woman is a really great member of our community, and it is really nice to see more women get involved in lock sport. The next channel I'm going to share with you is a very new channel. It has about 20 subscribers, and it goes by Chaz Lock Picking. This channel is very new, and what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of his channel so you can check it out and see what you think.
Hey y'all, Chaz's Lockpicking here, and today is Tuesday, and I'm going to go with the theme, Lotto Lock Tuesday, and I have a Master Lock Lockout Tagout that I got from work. I work in a decent sized industrial setting, and we've got lockout tagout stations all over, and so it's easy for me to just snag one up and take it home, practice on it, pick on it, When I get through with it, take it back, grab a different one. Lucky for me, they're all tagged different, keyed differently. So each one is different. So this is where I would get a lot of my practice on lockout tagouts.
Thank you so much for checking out Chaz Lockpicking. If you enjoyed the content that you saw and you'd like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Every single subscription makes such a big difference. I just want to say thank you to everyone that helps support all of these smaller channels, all of the bigger channels, and just giving all of your support to the Locksport community. It is so great to see all of these great channels growing every single week, and I cannot wait to see where our community will be a year from now. Now I just want to finish up with a comment that was left in last week's Locksport update, and it was by Charles Builds Crap. He just wanted to share that he's been working his way up the karate belt system. He is currently at a brown belt, and he had recently picked a Schleg Primus, and he is now working on his Sergeant K. So that is such a cool accomplishment to see you growing, making your way up the karate belt system, and always pushing yourself to try new and more challenging locks. So if you'd like to check out his channel, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check out Charles Builds Crap and consider subscribing. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. This has been a really quick Locksport update. This is a video series that I run every single Saturday. I really enjoy being able to help support the community in any way that I can. If you have any updates that you'd like to see shared next week, like the updates that I have shared this week, please drop them in the comment section below. That is where I always look first for all of my content, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that contributed. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And thank you so much for checking this out.